My name is Vince Paulsoni. I work for Alectra Utilities. We are the second largest municipally owned utility in North America. After a previous merge, we were doing time-based maintenance and everything was paper-based. So we implemented a maintenance management system, and part of our plan was to use real-time information and leverage a real-time system to transition us from time-based maintenance to condition-based maintenance. We decided that we needed to install a fleet of sensors. So this would be monitoring equipment on a lot of our key assets. So the PI system, through the sensor information that's fed into our maintenance management system, allows us to better react, which ultimately prevents equipment from failing. So we're actually in a position to react before an equipment fails catastrophically. And that gives us the ability to extend our maintenance programs considerably and trigger maintenance based on condition instead of time. So in general, cost avoidance is really one of our new focuses, using PI to help us calculate those cost avoidances. So as we complete maintenance tasks, I want to basically have an analytic feature that shows us how much we're actually saving by doing maintenance. And PI would allow us that information. The focus was to transition from time-based maintenance to condition-based maintenance, but it really became an innovation stimulant for us. It allows us to build many types of reports and leveraging the system to give us information that wasn't available to us in the past. I'm Vince Paulsoni, and that's my PI story.